Merry Christmas, and it is...
Merry Christmas.
Try to get us both in the screen here. It is December 19th. Oh my gosh, it's less than a week to Christmas
Yeah,
now.
a week away. Well,
Less
a week.
than 6 days. We just got back from church, did communion there. Really nice service. There's a girl that sings that just has an incredible voice. But we're going to go ahead and do our Advent calendars for today. And away we go, right? All right, so starting with the Merry Mary marching band, right? The last one on the next to the last level.
It's a deer with presents.
Oh. So there's our village so far. Phil's put together these really nice hydrangea and evergreen stuff that we have next to it. I just moved it over actually. And then we move over to the cat one, and she's going to get the butter knife early because it's getting harder and harder in a way as they're kind of opened up. Found it quickly. Just stabbed into it.
Oh, look, it's nice and clear. See, I got some little fishies.
Little fishies today.
Little cat fishies.
Fishes and loaves. They don't get loaves though. Although Hudson likes loaves. We have a cat that loves to go after bread. Thought I saw 19 the other day. There it is. Oh, I found 2 in a row, I think, on this one. I have to go back to the video and find out.
Okay, the chair, please. All right.
We always forget to move the chairs out of the way. Okay, and then the shortbreads. Where's 19? Right there. And it's a shortbread. Oh, another chocolate chip one.
Chocolate chip.
Those are pretty good.
Let's do the coffees. It's really good.
All right. We're doing the Williams-Sonoma coffee. We don't know what it'll be, other than we know it'll be coffee.
Coffee.
And what do we have? It's one we don't have.
We don't know what it is.
We have it, we don't know what that one is. Now, Sugar Fina, it's just so well made. It's so nicely done. It's more gummies.
Like watermelon.
Oh, I bet those are delicious.
Let's just make sure. I'm pretty sure there's the watermelon.
You can see our little tartan Black Watch Runner and our
Yep, watermelon slices. That's what it is.
tartan napkins.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna now the nativity scene. This one's easy to get to, which is good.
Oh, like a little sheepy.
Gotta have a sheep. It's got a detail even. Nice woolly legs and everything.
There's the little sheepies.
There's the nativity scene so far. And since it's an odd day, we get to open up wine. Interestingly, they didn't number the different selections, so you get to choose whatever one you want. We got another white one.
And it's a Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc, that you like those, that's good. All right, now we go Ink Fest, right?
Oh, I forgot.
You forgot the ink one.
I
Right.
got a lot of pens to make today.
Where's 19?
17, 15.
There's 19.
Feeling joy.
What's
Best
it?
of joy. Best of joy.
I bet it's a shimmer or a sheen.
It's a standard.
Oh, it's a standard. I was wrong. I'm always wrong on those. I gotta keep guessing. All right, and then the last one is the Scotch whiskey. I found 19 really quick on that one. And it's another upside down one. I thought I had it. There we go. Oh, it's a Jura, which is an island whiskey. And it's a 18-year-old, woo, 44% by volume, single malt. That one will be really tasty. That'll be a good Sunday whiskey. All right, that's all we've got for December 19th. Thanks for joining us. We will see you again tomorrow. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.